Whew. Oh, that bag worked excellent. Mo bueno. Okay, I'm almost ready to cover this lid. And the lid in the laundry room, the ceiling was semi-gloss. This ceiling in here, this is attached to the, just show you here real quick. This ceiling goes out into the garage, and this ceiling comes in to the family room and the kitchen area. And we didn't want to have this painted semi-gloss or eggshell or anything like that. Normally, most houses are painted flat. That way any discrepancies in the ceiling, especially if you get patches or anything like that, they don't stand out like a sore thumb. I mean, we could have went with an eggshell instead of a flat, let's say. But flat is like a matte finish. You don't want to do semi-gloss. Years ago, it's funny, years ago, kitchens always used to be semi-gloss. And then between a kitchen and like a living room, family room, you'd have a line going across here. You remember that? And there would be semi-gloss this way and there's flat paint this way. And they don't do that anymore. Normally. So in any case, this is all flat ceiling. Most of the ceilings in the house are flat ceiling, flat paint on the ceilings and hallways, in the bedroom, master bath, in the office area. That's all flat, painted flat. But like in closets, we've got closets, and in all the bathrooms, all the closets, the laundry, all those ceilings are semi-gloss. And then they went ahead and painted the walls in there semi-gloss and all that, which is fine. I don't care about that. You know, this ceiling in this bathroom, I think they painted that semi-gloss, even though there's wallpaper on the walls. But anyways, enough of that. Just telling you, this lid is flat paint, so you got to have clean fingers. Before I put that lid back down, you know, I've been using these gloves. I'll probably end up taking these gloves off and just using my fingers. Make sure I wash my hands off. Last thing you want to do is put your grubby fingerprints on the bottom of that lid as you're pulling it over, because you're always gonna see that later unless you have matching paint to paint that. And lots of times people don't. Okay, food for thought. But in the laundry, it's semi-gloss. I could clean that with a rag, whatever. Okay, I've rearranged everything that way. Remember, our work was that way. And we've got this up here. You know, they have batt insulation here, and it's kind of pushed up a little bit. See what I'm talking on this lid? If you didn't see it before, they got batt insulation here, and then they kind of lifted this and then stapled it. You can pull it back a little bit and then staple the paper right down to the top of the lid and do it all the way around. And that's good. Then that kind of stays on there. Just be careful with that as you're moving it, as you're sliding it. I lifted it and kind of gently put it over there, because you just push it and you're not watching. Maybe there's a exposed pipe over there, some wires, a nail, and all of a sudden you scratch your sheetrock or your lid, or you put a gouge in it, or you've got some grubby, dirty marks that you can't clean off there, and you rub on it, it just gets worse. Okay. So anyways, see, they got this insulation's kind of pushed up, and there's some other stuff around here, and more than likely one of these days I'm gonna get up in the attic, check things out a little bit more closely, and rearrange insulation, whatever I have to do. I'm tired. I've been up here long enough, and I just kind of wanted to go over different things with you. It was 14 inches on the other side. Wonder what this is here. See, that's like, oh, I don't know, 12 inches, about about 12 inches here. And that other one was a little bit taller. So, I mean, they got different thicknesses of insulation at the store. All kinds, like maybe 3 or 4 different thicknesses. I'm going to get something, see what they have. If they have 14 inch, I'll get that because on the other side is 14 inch. And I'll be good to go, okay? So I'll get up there later one day, and I've got a little bit of light. And next time, I don't think I'm gonna grab my my construction light and drag that all around. You know what they should do is have a battery operated construction light. Wouldn't that be nice? And maybe they do. But here's I'm going to show you what I'm going to use next time. Okay? Last thing I'm going to show you before I finish up putting that lid back down and stuff. Okay? Here. Let's get in here. And I'm pretty sure I saw it. I saw it down in here, and I haven't used it yet. Oh, here we go. See, here's my cover for my clear glasses. This thing right here, believe it or not, it's probably 12 years old. And I put my glasses in there, and they're always nice and clean, nice and protected, and stuff. But here's the thing Here's the thing I was talking about. Headlight, 7 LED headlight, 100 lumens. See? You put it around your head with this strap, and you can adjust it. Here's some batteries for it, and here's your lights, and it will do different things. 4 modes. See this one, red, not as bright, more bright, brighter yet. And this, I forget where Mommy got this. It didn't really cost that much. You just put it around your head. Okay? That's probably what I'll use next time. It'll give me plenty of light up there, hands-free, won't have to move around anything, and then I can just walk around up there and do my business and all that kind of stuff. Okay? Well, there's another tip for you. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.